Hi viewers, I hope that you are searching for this ADB error. ADB server version doesn't match the client 41 killing error unknown host service. So you are absolutely at the right place. So in this video I am going to show you how to resolve this error. So without any further ado, let's jump into. By the way, this is Salman and you're watching Zettalysis. So here you can see that I opened a CMD inside the ADB and platform tools that are installed in C directory. When I enter this command ADB devices, as you can see that it returns this error of ADB server version 26 doesn't match this client 41 killing error unknown host service. And here one thing I want to mention that my device is already connected to this PC with ADB turned on and authenticated to this PC. I will put this command again, but you can see the result is the same. Here you can see that a software is running, that is Miracle Box Digital Edition 3.40. Maybe that it is conflicting with the ADB version, so that here I am closing this software and again entering the same command ADB devices, but here is still the result is same. The error is still not resolved. Be with me, only in a few seconds this error will be resolved permanently. And after that I will try to kill the server by entering this command ADB kill server and again entering my main command ADB devices, but still the result is same. Now let's open the task manager, go to the processes, and here in the background processes you can see that Android debug bridge 32-bit. Let's open the location of this process, and here you can see that it's just pointing to the adb.x of this Miracle Thunder 3.40. Let's close this folder window. To solve this error, just terminate this process Android debug bridge in the task manager, then open a CMD again where your ADB platforms tools are installed. Again enter the same command ADB devices, and here you can see that the ADB server is starting now and this error is successfully resolved. And here you can see that my device is already connected to this one. Here it's clearly indicating my device serial number. It will be good for you and also for me if you will hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up. So finally we got the clue that this problem was occurring due to another instance of ADBX by another software. For example, in this tutorial this was caused by Miracle Thunder 3.40. so when I terminated the process of ADBX that was initiated from the Miracle Thunder 3.40, the problem resolved successfully. I think that this is enough for this video. I will see you in my next. So until then, keep smiling.